made multi-tool with 38 functions and a leather belt pouch. Victorinox Swiss Tool X Inkle Ratchet is extremely handy, extremely functional, and extremely compact. Do not be fooled by its super compact design. The Swiss Tool X Plus Ratchet is an entire toolbox elegantly packaged in a single sophisticated multi-tool. You'll find a million uses for this workhorse at home, work, or out in nature. Elegant and extremely handy, the Swiss Tool X Plus Ratchet is an absolute pleasure to use. Keep it close, thanks to the leather belt pouch, so you are always ready to face your next challenge.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy X-Treme, and welcome back, my G's, to another video, another review. And today we are going to do a review of a product that I got from Surplus Malta. I will link the page of their Facebook, also their website. Bam, and here it is, my G's. This is the product that I'm going to review. It's a Victorinox product. Again, I have some vape on deck, also some wine, because this is going to get juicy, my G's. It is going to get moist from 0 to 100 real quick. So yeah, it's a multi-tool from Victorinox. You know, the Victorinox Swiss Champex AVT held very well, but I got rid of it because I didn't use it that much often. You know, I'm not gonna use the pliers, or they wasn't that strong. So I got a heavy duty multi-tool, and you're gonna see what it is in about a sec, or three, maybe 3, 2, 1, bam. So here, please, this is it. We are going to remove it nice and gently out of the bag or the shit. You know what to do with the shit. Pack the shit and break some shit. And the product from Victorinox that I'm going to show you is BAM! Victorinox Swiss Tool Plus. This is the one that it comes with. 3.0339 ratchet with the extension, the corkscrew, and the stuff, some bits. This is the reference or the product number. Bam. And that's it, my G's. We're gonna have some drum rolls. It's already in the pouch, so we're gonna do the drum roll right now, or the drum roll when it's come out of the pocket. So this is the pouch that comes with. It's a leather pouch or leather sheet, as you have to say. Belt loop. This one I carry it with me. I'm gonna carry it with me every day. You know, because it will come in handy in a lot of scenarios and stuff like that, you know. So this is the book that comes with the Victorinox Swiss Tool Guide, user guide. These are all the shit, Swiss tool with serrated blade instead of scissors. What? The Swiss Tool Plus. What do we have here? What? Wait. Because I fucking forgot already. The Swiss Tool Plus. This is what we have here. Swiss Tool Plus 0.0338. 0.0338. This is what we have. Or 0.0339. What the fuck? But this is the Swiss Tool Plus. So this is the Swiss Tool Plus. The case, the bit wrench, these are the tools that comes with. I'm gonna read them for you. Bit wrench, bit hex 3, bit hex 4, bit Phillips 3, bit Torx 10, bit Torx 10, space and initial bits, mini screwdriver, corkscrew, 229, the ratchet, the extension bar, you know, and a lot of shit. Pliers and chisel, screwdriver. We're gonna cap lifter also. We're gonna go through them one by one. Nothing on the back. It's different languages, and you have some multi-tool oil where you can oil it and stuff like that. This one is not like the Leatherman Surge, like when you open the tools and they open all together, you know, they will open separately. I will show you the spring and stuff like that, you know. Okay, so let's remove them. Don't throw the box, you know. I'm super hyped for this, yo. And in 3, 2, 1, wait. Victorinox Swiss Tool Plus. It's a fingerprint magnet, my G's. So let me just clean it a bit with my microfiber cloth here. Microfiber cloth. I will keep 1 or 2 or 3 near me because I'm an OCD of fingerprints. You know, we're gonna come back. Let's look at that shiny. Those are the springs that I told you, but I'm gonna the springs that I told you, but I will show you that in a sec. This is the bit extender. This is the shits where you go like this. 1 minute, because I'm doing it like this, and it will like this. Okay, the bits. You know what is it, lady? Let me just see. Swiss made. It says Swiss made here. No shit, Sherlock. Okay. And this is the corkscrew with the glasses screwdriver. You know, it will go inside there. It will lock with the corkscrew. It will come in handy because if you're a wine drinking guy like your boy, can I stick it right here? Pause. No. It can stick, no. And nothing comes in the sheet. You know, it will fit perfectly. This one will fit right here. Or on the other side. Like this. You know, they will fit perfectly inside. Let's open this. Those are the locking mechanism tools. So we're gonna open it like this. And this is the pliers with the wire cutters down here. They are not like the Leatherman Surge where you can change the wire cutters. You know, I'm trying to find the Leatherman Surge because I also have it here near me, but I must left it somewhere in my bag. You know, bam, right like that. On the other side. Okay, also, if you do it like this, you have a ruler, bam, like this. You have a 22 inches or centimeters, 22 centimeters, I think. All right. And on the other side, I think it's inches or something like that. That's 22 centimeters. And I think this is 8 inches, 9 inches. That's what she said. This big. Pause. On that. Those are the nothing inside here. You see? Nothing inside here. And those are the springs that I told you when you open the tool. that they will lock, you know, and they will open one by one. Let me close it just right quick so I don't get my hands. Also, those are the locking shits. So let me go through. Here is where you lock. Here is where you put your corkscrew in, like this, and then put it inside, pause, or stick it inside, pause again, you know. Okay, it's firm, it's sturdy. Okay. You can use it also on the other side as well, on both sides, so that's good. That's good, you can use it on both sides of the tool. That's dope. You know, let's see what we have here. So what we have here is the can opener, the screwdriver, and the can opener. And it will lock. You see, it will lock. You have to pull these down to close it. You have to pull these down, and bam, it will close. You see, for every tool, it has its own spring, so they will not open all together. Let me see. Did I? Is it? Oh yes, and that's the saw. So this is the saw. Bam, heavy duty like crazy, yo. It's heavy duty like crazy. This saw, it will go through anything, yo. Be careful, yo. Be careful for your fingers, because it will become like butter to this saw. It's like butter to this saw. This is the can opener. Okay, let me check. This is the another shit. This is the can opener, the bottle opener. You know, the can, the shits, the tuna or something like that opener. This one is the wire stripper, beer opener, and the flathead screwdriver as well. Here is the chisel. This is a bit oily. Let me just clean it just a bit. This is the chisel. Right? This is the chisel. Also a scraper, also wire strippers. You know, this is the chisel. Go through your wood and stuff like that. Those are wire strippers, you know. So there's the chisel right there. Here we have a large, oh my god, how much oil does it fucking have? This is a large flathead screwdriver, just a flathead screwdriver, nothing sharp on the edges, you know. So it's a large flathead screwdriver. And here we have the blade. Here it says Victorinox Swiss-made stainless steel. And let me do some paper testing in here. Some paper testing. That's how fucking sharp it is, yo. Just a second, because I'm not holding it right and I have the phone. I don't want to, you know, cut myself, or like I almost did. Bam, just like that. You see? But I can't hold it properly. Let me see. Damn. I can't hold it fucking properly because of the fucking phone. But you know what? How sharp it is. See? It's very sharp. Let me see if I can find a piece of small paper. Like my sticky notes here. I have my sticky note here. That's how it should be. Sharp as full. Bam. You see? That's the blade. They removed the serrated blade because they had another one before this one. It didn't has the scissors. So I think this one, it has the scissors. Yep, and I see it right there. Bam. Right there. Lovely scissors. You know, it can go. I use it mainly for some, you know, my nails and stuff like that. Bam, it goes through paper like butter. Bam, I'm not even cutting. I'm going through, damn, like that. Straight up. See, I do a piece. Get a piece, then, bam. Just like that. Wicked sharp. It's wicked sharp. And I love it. You know, the spring here. It's nice. Then we have the file. Okay. On the top you don't have nothing. File here, file there, and the metal cutter right here. You can cut through aluminium or something like that. If you have something, you can, you know, you can help yourself. Let me just do this one. This one is a puncher or a punch or a screwdriver. Wait a minute. This is a small fuck. This is a small screwdriver. Oh, I thought it was the punch, where you hold the hole in your wood or something like that, or in your belt. But this one is a small screwdriver, a very small screwdriver. It's coming. The puncher is coming, but not now. This is the Phillips screwdriver. Nice curvature here. You have a nice curvature here. You know, and finally the puncher. Oh my god, it's oily as fuck. Let me not poke myself. Let me clean it from the oil. I need to clean this. And this is the puncher. And you can do holes in some wood or something like that, you know, or in the belt. Or in your belt. I don't have nothing to punch. Or something like that, but yeah. That's also dope. Wicked sharp, be careful. Because you can stab yourself. And we apparently went through every single damn tool. Yeah? We apparently went to every single damn tool. But I like the pouch, how it will stay inside the pouch. You know. You can see how I put my things in there, and there's the hole there for this. Sorry, my G's. And there's the hole for this, and bam. This one weighs about 200. Let me see, because I wrote it down. 290 grams. This one weighs about 290. I think it's about 200, up to 200, 300. But okay. And okay, so those are the bits. You can use them also like this They're a bit hard to do at the beginning. You can use it like this also. You can put it inside, but I'm not going to for now. And even on this side, it goes straight there, because it's a pain in the ass to remove it. Here you have the Victorinox branding, right there. Bam. You have some space, so you can carry your own shit as well. Sorry, my G's. The extender is also good if you want to use it like this. You know, if you want to use a bit of extension and stuff like that, you can use it as well. But this one is going straight in the pouch like that. Let me see if it's correctly done. Okay, you have several spaces there. I think you can also set your, you can also put your corkscrew there, because it fits. It fits. When you take it out, it will come out immediately. But you can also set it like that. Here also you have the Swiss branding on the screwdriver of your glasses. You know, this is good. I find it very useful. Nowadays I don't wear glasses anymore because I have the fucking bridge piercing, so I can't wear it too much. Can you put this here and this there? I'm seeing some shit. No, this one goes straight here. This one goes straight there. Be careful of poking. And this one you can set like this and like that. Bam. Like this. Very easy. It doesn't have a one-hand opening shits, you know, so it doesn't have the one-hand opening system like the Leatherman Surge or the Leatherman MUT, Leatherman MUT EOD, and a bunch of other Leathermans. The scissors, there's the blade right there. So we're gonna set it like this. Then I preferred the other leather pouch, you know, the one with, it's not leather, you know, because this one, it will get, if you carry it every day, it will get ugly. You know, it will start peeling off and shit happens, because that's what happened with the Victorinox XAVT. But this one is definitely going to be an everyday carry on my belt every damn day. So yeah, players, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. That was the review of the Swiss Tool Plus by Victorinox. Everything you need to see. And what the fudge? This is in Switzerland, obviously, and Leatherman were made in America. So it's a very difficult, you know, decision to make. But yo, I prefer the Victorinox because when you open the tools from the outside, they will not open together. You can open them separately, not like the Leatherman. You know, I don't have it handy right now, but maybe I will do another video comparing the Leatherman Surge and this one, and also testing this one, because I don't want to do a long ass video. So yeah, that was it for this video, my please. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Comment right down below what want me to play next, review or cook. I know somebody said the beef Wellington. It's in my mind. I didn't forget about that. You know, so yeah. Share my video. Thanks for watching. It's your boy X-Treme. I'm out. Peace. Your boy is out.